Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Capital One credit card. Let's get straight into the video. You can do that through online application. So what you want to do is to go to the Capital One's online website, and then just click on credit cards at the top of the page. Now you want to select the credit card that you're interested in applying for. That could be Capital One's Quicksilver card, or it could be Capital One's Platinum card, and then just click the apply now button to start the online application process. Then you need to enter your personal information, including your name, your address, your date of birth, and your social security number. Now you gotta enter your financial information, including your income, employment status, and housing information, and then just gotta review your application and then submit it for official review. Now on the mobile app, you can just download the Capital One mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices if you don't already have it. And then you can just open the app and then sign into your account and click apply for credit cards to start the application process, and then just follow the prompts to provide personal and financial information, and then review that and submit your applications for that. So for phone application, you can also just call Capital One's customer service at the number right there on the screen to apply for a credit card over the phone. You just got to provide the required information. That could be personal and financial information. Just provide that to the customer service, and then review your application with the customer service representative, and then they're going to help you to get your requests through. Now for in-person application, all you got to do is just find a Capital One branch near you and visit in person, and then just speak with a banker to start the application process. Of course, you're going to need to provide the required documents, including identification and proof of income, and then review your application with the banker and submit it for official review. Now these required documents, you're going to need a means of identification. That could be driver's license, state identification, or passport. You're also going to need proof of income, so you pay a stub or your W-2 form, or that could be your tax returns. And then you're going to need proof of address, so you're going to need a utility bill or lease agreement, or it could be a bank statement. Now you're also going to need to provide your social security number, so you'll need your social security number, or you could use your individual taxpayer identification number. Now a couple of tips for doing this. The first, you want to check your credit score before applying to ensure that you have a good chance of approval. You also want to choose the right credit card that aligns with your financial goals and credit score. And then of course, don't forget to read the terms and conditions carefully before applying to ensure that you understand the credit card features and fees. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.